Are you tired of yellow stains ruining your smile? We'll show you effective treatment and prevention methods to remove those pesky yellow stains from your teeth. 1. Proper oral hygiene. Start by practicing good oral hygiene. Brush your teeth at least twice a day with fluoride toothpaste. Make sure to brush for 2 minutes, covering all surfaces of your teeth. Don't forget to clean your tongue as well, as it can also harbor stains. 2. Floss regularly. Flossing is crucial to remove plaque and debris from between your teeth. This helps prevent the formation of stains and keeps your smile bright. Make it a habit to floss daily, preferably before bedtime. 3. Avoid stain-causing foods and beverages. Certain foods and beverages, such as coffee, tea, red wine, and berries, can contribute to teeth stains. Limit your consumption of these staining agents, or rinse your mouth with water after consuming them to minimize their impact. 4. Professional teeth cleaning. For stubborn stains, it's best to seek professional help. Regular dental cleanings by a qualified professional can remove surface stains and restore the natural whiteness of your teeth. Consult your dentist to determine the best cleaning schedule for you. 5. Teeth whitening. Teeth whitening products, such as whitening toothpaste, strips, or professional treatments, can help lighten stains and brighten your smile. However, it's important to follow the instructions carefully and consult your dentist before using any whitening products. Subscribe.